Hello students, standard 6th English medium, subject computer. So children, in last practical video we learned regarding how to create a file, subfolder, then how to create a folder. Okay, now we will go ahead. Next topic is page number 29, move a file and folder, right? Move a file or folder. So children, now we will move hockey file from outdoor games subfolder to indoor games. Okay, so last time we have created folder and subfolders. Okay, so first of all we will open the documents library, right? Now here you can see sports folder is there, right? This is sports folder, this is the main folder, and in sports folder there are two subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games folder, right? Okay, now in the file list, first of all we will see in outdoor games there are two files, hockey and football. Okay, now first of all we want to move hockey file. So here this is file list. Now point to hockey file, right? So the file will be selected in this way. Now then after on the menu bar click on edit. This is menu bar children. This is edit command. So click on edit in this way. Now you will see the drop down menu. This is the drop down menu of edit command. Now click on cut. Okay, here we can use cut command. So click on cut, right? Then after click on back button. This is back to sports, right? So here click on back to go to the sports window. Now in the sports window, in the file list, click on indoor games. So open this indoor games subfolder. Here we want to paste the cut file, right children? So next step is here on the menu bar again click on edit command, right? You will see the drop down menu. Now on this menu click on paste. Okay, now children you can see hockey is pasted in the file list of indoor games. Okay, now hockey file is in indoor games subfolder. Okay, now click on again back button to go back to the sports window. Now in the sports window click on outdoor games in this way. Now you can see here only one file football is there. Okay children, now it contains only one file football. Okay, because we have moved hockey file from indoor game subfolder to outdoor game subfolder, right? Now you can see where is hockey file. So it is in indoor game subfolder because we have moved this file, right children? Okay, now again we can also move this file from indoor games to outdoor games. Okay, what you have to do, just select this file, click on edit, cut command, go back, outdoor games, edit and paste. now you can see the hockey file is in its original place, right? That is outdoor games, right children? So हमने यहाँ पे क्या किया, जो हमारी फाइल आउटडोर गेम्स में थी हॉकी, उसको हमने इंडोर गेम्स में मूव किया, और अगेन हमने इंडोर गेम में से आउटडोर गेम्स में हॉकी फाइल को मूव किया. So in this way we can move any file or folder, right? Now next topic is copy a file or folder, right children? Now we will see copy a file or folder, right? Now here we will create a file named badminton in outdoor games folder. Okay, so in outdoor games folder now we will create another file badminton, right children? So the steps are, first of all click on start button on the taskbar. Okay, here this is taskbar, this is start button. Click on documents window, right? Now in this window click on sports folder to see the sports window. This is sports window. Okay, now on the menu bar click on file, right here file, then new, okay, and here text document, right? Now here first of all you can see this is new file badminton, so give it name badminton, right? But here we want to create in outdoor games children. Okay, so first of all what you have to do, select outdoor games and then go to file, new, text document, and then we can write here outdoor games badminton, right? Then press enter key. So now you can see badminton file is also in outdoor games folder, right? Now the file in the file list are automatically arranged in the alphabetical order. So in this way first is badminton, second is football, and third is hockey, right? Now we have created badminton file in outdoor games subfolder. Now we will create a copy of this file in indoor games subfolder, right children? So in this outdoor games window, in the file list, point to badminton file in this way, okay, and select it, right? Now on the menu bar click on edit command, okay, you will see the drop down menu. Now click on copy, okay, see, click on copy command because we want to make a copy of badminton in indoor games, right? So copy, then back button, okay, go to the sports window, then after click on indoor games, right? Then after this is indoor games subfolder children, right? Now then after on the menu bar click on edit command, right, and click on paste. So now you can see children badminton file is also in indoor games subfolder, okay. So in this way you can make a copy of any file or folder, right children? You can make a copy of any file or folder, right? Now you can see indoor games having 3 files, badminton, carom and chess. Okay. Now click on close to close the window.